Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov. In this amazing video I will teach you how to make strong and beautiful gel nails. I will try to explain fundamentals and some tips to make your nails long lasting and your work maximum effective. As you can see, I'm still using my favorite barrel drill bit, which has large toothing. I'm using it about 10 years and I'm not gonna change this fantastic tool on the other because it works perfectly not only with gel nails or acrylic nails but also with gel polish. It doesn't burn the nail plate like other drill bits. As you can see, I have pushed cuticles properly and proceeding with the flame diamond drill bit with a forward speed when I'm working with the left side and with the reverse speed when I'm working with from the right side of the nail plate. The pterygia, removing the pterygia and primering nails, these are two main fundamentals to avoid liftings, and it gives guarantee that your nails will stay on for a long time. And the third reason why nails can be broken or ruined, of course, the thickness of the layer you use on gel nails or the gel polish, because sometimes nail technicians place too very thin layer on the stress zone or never cover sidewalls or corners of the nail with the gel. That's why they have problems, and that's why clients come back to fix their nails. The primering nails is the main thing. Sometimes nail technicians don't forget to primer nail properly, and this is the main mistake of them because the primer works like double-sided scotch tape. After primering with the gel primer, it's better to place the nails in LED lamp in 1 minute. It helps to product. It helps the product penetrates better into the depth of the nail plate. And if you are afraid that the nail can be lifted because of warm the nail plate of your client, you can also apply 2 layers of the primer and cure each layer in LED lamp. I know maybe for someone it sounds not real and stupidly, but for sure guys, when I face with difficult nail plate, I always apply 2 layers of the gel primer. And the second thing is the base coat of the Sculpting mix gel. Sometimes it's better when you, for example, if you have not strong LED lamp, it's better to apply 2 layers. The first layer is thin, 2 layers of Sculpting mix gel, when the first layer is thin and the second layer is thicker than the previous one. So after applying 2 layers, the lamp will easily curve the product at first. And the second reason, it's better to sculpt nail because this is not acrylic when you play with the ball as you want. Sometimes because of hot temperature in the room, the gel can flow across the nail. And for example, for the beginners, it's better to apply 2 layers because they are not professionals, and they can't work fast with this product and sculpt nails faster than it flows. I hope you understand, guys, and as you can see, after curing the product in 2 minutes in LED lamp, as you can see, the product is curved to the limit. We have no wet areas, and the first dignity of Sculpting Mix Gel, because this is a little bit semi-transparent gel, that's why it penetrates the LED light much better than other camouflage gels. I know this is the big problem for many nail technicians, when the camouflage gel doesn't cure properly in LED lamp, and they have to place, for example, 3 layers of this gel. But we can cure the Sculpting Mix Gel in LED lamp only placed with 1 layer. After that, you can see that this gel it's very easy to file with the control bit. This is very original way to work with this area. I mean, working with the cuticles area when you need to prepare this area for placing the gel polish. Maybe 2 years ago, some nail technicians don't understand me. Why did I'm cleaning in that area? But now I think every nail technician understands that placing the product in cuticles area is very important, because the manicure, the nail design will look much longer, will look fresh, and will look like the new cut. But if you place the product not neatly, accurately, after 2 or 3 days, the look will be something like she made her nails 3 weeks ago or more, because after the first week we have about 1 millimeter of growing the nail in general. You can use the control bit for filing nails from underneath of the nail plate. We work with the forward speed, and we accurately work with it from the right to the left side, not to the opposite way, only this way, because right now you saw the something like when the drill bit is beating with the nail plate, and it's not so good. You can scare the client this way. Of course, shaping nails is the very important part of our work if you want to achieve very neat shape of the nail. The last one process of preparing the nails to the nail design is shaping, filing the cuticles using the ball drill bit. You can order this special ball drill bit, which made with natural diamond pieces, on shapeofnail.com. Now we have special prices. Half of products are available only for 50 cents. This is the great chance to renew your tools or your nail design accessories. So guys, let's create something amazing. for example, beautiful poppies on nails. And I'm using now the white gel paint for the manicure, or white gel paint which will be soon available too. I'm using this gel paint for drawing French manicure. It's not only one layer to achieve the pure cut. For example, when we draw French manicure, it's very important. Okay, as you can see, my thin brush number 000 helps me to create beautiful composition of amazing poppies. I'm using only thin corner of this brush to draw details. Of course, you can look on the sketch, search the picture from the Google, and transfer this design on nails, looking on the picture and drawing freehand. Make some freehand motions. Don't forget that the beautiful composition, we can create this beautiful composition when we combine thin lines with wide spots or wide lines. This creates airy and elegant effect, and in the composition these poppies will look amazing. I hope you will like this nail design and click that like button to this video. What can I say about the products I'm using in my videos? Of course, in each video I'm using the Sculpting gel. This is my favorite gel. I'm using it for sculpting gel nails, and of course the extra gloss top coat helps to fix all types of nail designs, glitter, sequins, no matter. This gel has tacky layer, and tacky layer helps to fix all these things. So guys, it's time for revealing shots. What do you think about this elegant and amazing nail design? I think they are fantastic and beautiful, and I think this nail design will be actual always. So guys, subscribe to my channel. I hope you will like it. See you in the next videos. You can order all products, all these amazing products on shapeofnail.com now with maximum sales and free shipping all over the world to any country. See you. Bye.